This vlog is again about the caregiver program, the new caregiver program, the home care worker immigration pilots program will be opening sa March 31 na po yan. Okay, so yan na po, may pangalan na po tayo dun sa immigration pilots na yan. So pilots means there will be different categories po sa caregivers. Okay, so again, sa ngayon, ang requirement na nakapost, minimum requirements is of course para doon po sa mga employers natin dyan na meron ng candidate in mind to hire as a caregiver, or if you are applying as a caregiver, ito po ang magiging requirements from you. So a job offer from an employer in Canada, very very important po yan. Kung walang job offer, hindi po pwede. Okay, legit work experience po, yan po. So meaning to say relevant experience dapat. So if the employer is looking for a caregiver to care for an elderly person, kailangan ang work experience niyo minimum of 6 months na nag-alaga kayo ng elderly, sa mga matatanda, right? Senior citizens yan po. If the employer is looking for a caregiver to care for someone who is in high medical needs, o yung may mga pangangailangan po na mas matindi po sa pag-aalaga ng regular na matanda, or someone with disability, kailangan po yung experience nyo, nag-alaga din po kayo sa ganong tao. Yung 6 months po nag-alaga kayo for someone who is disabled, or merong kapansanan po, or merong high medical needs. So kailangan po tugma ang experience nyo doon, ang work experience, minimum 6 months. If the employer is looking to care for a child, so yan naman po yung child caregiver. So kailangan ang experience nyo is nag-alaga kayo ng bata, okay, ng children. So 6 months po, o ang employer nyo is yun ang pangangailangan. Alright, so yan po ang napaka-importanting mga requirements na dapat ngayon pa lang is hinahanda nyo po, na kasi on March 31 it will open, and sobrang pong dami sigurado ako mag-a-apply dyan kasi iba ready na. So if you are not ready yet, get those documents ready, especially for those employers who already has a person in mind na gusto nilang i-hire. So yan po ang mga requirements under the home care worker immigration pilots, which is going to open on March 31, 2025. Malapit na po yan, and napakadali po ng mga requirements. And again, of yung mga i-hire nyo, actually maganda po kasi hindi naman po yan work permit na basta-basta lang. Pagdating po nila, they will land as immigrants. So PR po application yan. So kaya maganda po itong home care worker immigration pilots na ito. IRCC announced that they will land as PR in Canada. So napakaganda po talaga.